Hey, it's Sierra from There to Here Travels, and today I'm going to show you around our Airbnb. We're actually checking out this morning, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. So we've already lived in it for a couple of days, but it's pretty neat and tidy. So right behind me is the entrance, obviously. You can see the front door. We enter into the living room. It has an AC and a couple little end tables. This is a pull-out couch, beautifully decorated. I don't know, it feels to me like a cute cottage type thing. Like, I don't know, just so it's got a romantic vibe, I think. This table, you can see the ends fold out on both sides, so you can make it a big full kitchen table, or it stays nice tucked out of the way. We did lift up just this one side and had our pizza yesterday. Moving on to the kitchen area. So you've got TV. We didn't find any English channels, but we didn't scroll through everything. But hey, if you speak Italian, then you've got TV. Microwave and stuff. You sort trash, paper, plastic, and glass. We don't have any trash. We tried to keep everything out, like the pizza are like napkins and things. The next time we left the house, we just carried it with us and put it in the trash can right at the top of the hill, because we didn't want to have to deal with that. Not that it's that inconvenient. There is a drop-off place not far, but just one less thing to deal with this morning. So coffee, then you've got stove, sink, and then there's all kinds of things you would need if you were planning on using that kind of stuff. We did not cook or anything like that while we were here, so we didn't use any of this. Light switches. Into the bedroom. Mirror, seating, dresser, bed, cutest end tables, nightstands, I mean. There's a fan, we used that. This curtain goes across to help block out any light coming. There's a curtain over there that crosses over and covers the window, but that top window also lets in light, and the curtain doesn't go all the way across there. So you'd use this to block out the light from the front part of the house. And it's October. We did not need that AC at all, so we were very comfortable. Beautiful ceilings. I love like the color of the room. I love everything about this room. This is so cute. So then going into the bathroom area, you've got just like a little nook. I like stored some of the stuff we would need for the day over there. Did not use the washing machine. Amazing water pressure, very comfortable, and we really enjoyed our stay here. So definitely would recommend. And it was only a little bit more than like a hotel right around the corner that it was just like a room, a bathroom. So this was definitely more comfortable for just a little bit more money. If you like this video, click like, subscribe so you don't miss anything. And thanks for watching There to Here Travels. Check out this next video.